Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your controller has charge and that Windows is updated. Once done, plug the controller into a USB port or insert the Xbox wireless adapter or enable Bluetooth and hold pair on the controller. You'll see the Xbox button flash. Wait until it stays lit. Now open Settings Devices to confirm a new game controller appears. This guarantees the PC recognizes input before you configure audio or apps. Proceed once the device is listed. Next, attach your headset. Plug the 3.5mm headset into the controller or use a USB headset connected to the PC. Then, open Windows Sound Settings and select the controller headset as both playback and recording if available. This routes game audio and chat through the controller. Make sure default communications device is set when needed. Once set, tweak microphone level and output volume so others hear you clearly without clipping. Test in the Xbox app or a voice call to confirm. Finally, verify everything in your game and party chat. Launch a game or the Xbox app and speak to confirm mic input while checking game audio balance. If you don't hear sound or the mic is silent, make sure the headset is selected in both Windows and the specific app. Reconnect the controller or replug the adapter. As a key tip, if problems persist, restart the app or Windows and update the Xbox controller and Bluetooth/USB drivers. This usually resolves driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.